One of the particles in Hebrew that you will often see is the definite direct object marker. When the direct object of a verb is definite, Hebrew often marks it with this marker. It's either et or et with a makef that is joined to the following noun or participle acting like a noun. It is not translated in English. Here we have a couple of examples. I have these two words together mean I have seen at, here's the definite direct object marker, the affliction of my people, noun with a suffix. Now, this word affliction, it doesn't immediately look definite, but it is definite because it is in construct to ami, my people, and therefore this whole phrase, this whole construct phrase, is definite. So the at marks it off. Another example, and command et ha'am, the people. And here we see has the definite article, and so the definite direct object marker kind of gives you a clue that this is the object of a verb and not the subject. The et is not always used, so sometimes something will be the direct object, but it won't necessarily be marked that way with the et, especially in poetry. Let's look at how this shows up in accordance. So here in Joshua 1:11, we go to this phrase, and command et. You see it says this is a particle object. In other words, direct object. So that's how it is marked in accordance. And when you search for particular parts of speech, you will search for it under particle object. Okay. Here's another example. I have seen at particle object direct object the affliction of my people, and here it doesn't tell you that this is definite. This particular word is in construct, but it is in construct to a noun with a suffix. Okay, that makes it definite. Now, there are times when the definite direct object marker can occur with an object pronoun, one of those suffixes that we learned about. And here is a chart showing the various forms of that. You have the et plus whatever pronoun suffix you would have in order to sort of mark that this particular pronoun is acting as the object of the verb in the sentence. You don't need to memorize these, just be aware of them. Let's take a look at what that might look like in accordance. So we have here in Genesis 1:22, and God blessed them. The definite direct object marker, okay, plus the third masculine plural suffix, okay. You do not translate the definite direct object marker. You just translate the pronoun. So he blessed them. And you kind of, in your translation, ignore the definite direct object marker.